Good morning, students. You know about you are in 5th class, and today is the AVS period, and I am going to tell about Unit 1, second series, because first series I have already described about and if you miss your first series, then you can subscribe or you can search to YouTube channel AVS by बालेश्वर सर. यू कैन सर्च, यानी कि अगर आप प्रथम सीरीज को छूट गए हों, नहीं पढ़े हों, तो उसको या किसी भी सब्जेक्ट को अगर आप देख नहीं पाए हो, पीछे का जो छूट गया है उसको देखने के लिए आप जो भी सब्जेक्ट होगा उस सब्जेक्ट में आप लिख सकते हैं. जैसे मान लीजिए कि हिंदी अगर आपका छूट गया है तो हिंदी के लिए आप लिख सकते हैं हिंदी बाई बालेश्वर सर. ठीक है, हिंदी बाई बालेश्वर सर. अगर आपका मान लीजिए कि एवीएस छूट गया है तो एवीएस बाई बालेश्वर सर. यदि आपका मैथ्स छूट गया है तो लिखेंगे मैथ्स बाई बालेश्वर सर. और आप यूट्यूब पर जब सर्च करेंगे तो सर्च करने के बाद मेरा वीडियोज आपको मिल जाएगा और आप उसे सब्सक्राइब कर ले तो बेहतर रहेगा. सब्सक्राइब रखेंगे तो आपको हर तरह का वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहेगा. इसलिए आज हम शुरू करेंगे यहाँ एवीएस का जो सेकंड सीरीज है, यूनिट 1 का ही सेकंड सीरीज में. जैसे फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस टू ईच अदर. ओके, यू आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, I can discuss to you. Are you ready? If you are ready, then I can discuss to you. First I discuss. Okay, discuss the first point. Do you do the class of any of your family? Do the class of any of your family members smell. Do you understand about it? Do the class of any of your family members smell. आपके परिवार के कोई ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं, आपके परिवार के कोई ऐसे सदस्य हैं जिनके कपड़े जो होते हैं उसमें से स्मेल यानी सुगंध आता है. अगर ऐसे कोई है तो हुज. आप इसके बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हमसे. हुज कौन है? आप मन में सोच लें कि कौन है. हु मे बी, आई डोंट नो अबाउट देम. सो यू थिंक in your mind who is the person that's class give a smell. And also second point, did you ever come across any smell in the crowded? Any smell in a crowded place? Any smell in a crowded place such as a fair? Do you know bus, train, and also it is bus, train, etc. Are you understand about it? Do you ever come across any smell a crowded place such as a fair, bus, train, etc? I mean, क्या आपने कभी क्रॉस करते हुए कहीं जाते हुए और जाने के बाद आपने कभी ऐसा अनुभव एहसास किया है, महसूस किया है कि कहीं भीड़ वाली जगह हो, क्राउडेड हो, और वैसे जगह पे सच एज ए फेयर, मान लीजिए कोई मेला ही हो या बस हो या ट्रेन हो, वहां पे आपको कहीं स्मेल यानी कि दुर्गंध आता हुआ एहसास हुआ है कभी? ऐसा आपने फील किया होगा that let's talk about it in which type of smelling are you feeling. As for example, it's your totally depend on your ncert book. If you have book, then you can take in your hand and listen and also read these books. As why so? If it happens, then why so? What is the cause? What is the reason that happens in this type of smell? That I am going to tell about in your book. As for example, today Rajni had to go. Rajni, she is a girl and she has go out for some important works. Okay, and she had to leave her 6-month-old son. 6-month-old son, and his name Deepak. His son named Deepak, with her sister Sushila. With her sister Sushila. Sushila also has a baby of the same age. Sushila also have a baby of same age, and it was funny that both the babies did potty. Both the babies did potty. Potty, do you know what is potty? Potty at the same time. Potty at the same time. Are you understand? Okay. The happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose. She covered her nose with cloth, not hands. Okay, covered her nose with her dupatta. The cloth name dupatta. Think and discuss about it. Let's think and discuss about it. As Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, and but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she do this? Okay. Now, how do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage, and also think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage? Okay. Is a smell good or bad? Is a smell good or bad? Do you know? In which type of a smell? Good or bad? I mean, it smell will be bad. It smell will be bad. Okay? Our bad for everyone. It's not only bad, it's a smell bad for everyone. Okay? And in the same way, or does it? It depends on. It's depend on how such one feels about it. So I can tell about you. You also feel in this type of a smell, and everybody can feel in this type of smell. It smell will be bad. It smell will be certainly bad. Okay. Now let us go and see again some extra matters. As for example, you will see many types of words, and these words are different to each other. So let us see As for example, write the name of a word. Write a name of a write the name of a word which has eyes. Which has eyes in front of its head, just like humans. Just like humans in front of eyes. वैसे जानवर, वैसे पक्षी जिनकी आंख मानव की तरह एकदम सामने हो, वैसे बर्ड्स के बारे में तो आप जानते हैं. You know this type of words. And also write the names of some birds which have eyes on either side, which have eyes either side of the head. वैसे चिड़िया जिसके दोनों साइड में आंख होते हैं. आप तो देखे होंगे ऐसे चिड़िया भी. आप देख सकते हैं, कुछ चिड़िया के बारे में सोच सकते हैं. In which type of words has eyes in front of human, just like human beings, and which type of words their eyes either side. Okay, what is the size of their eyes as compared to the size of their head? Okay, now most of the birds have their eyes. Most of the birds have their eyes. Their eyes of either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. Their eyes focus two different things. I mean, वैसे चिड़िया क्या होते हैं कि उनका एक ही साथ में, एक ही समय में दो विभिन्न दिशाओं में उनका ध्यान चला जाता है, वो देख लेते हैं. बट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स क्या होते हैं कि एक तरफ ध्यान देते हैं. वैसे चिड़िया जो एक तरफ देखते हैं, उनका ध्यान कहाँ होता है? एक तरफ होता है. ओके, when they look extend ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. Okay, I already described before. You must have seen birds moving their neck very often. Do you know why? What is the reason? What is the cause? It must of the birds' eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their head to see around. Okay? वैसे चिड़िया जिनके आंख इन फ्रंट होते हैं, उनको दूसरे हिस्से में देखने के लिए अपने नेक को मूव करना होता है, तब वो दूसरे हिस्से में देख सकते हैं. जस्ट ह्यूमन, अगर हम लोग को पीछे देखना हो तो नेक को क्या करना होगा कि हमें टर्न करना होगा, मूव करना होगा. देन आई कैन सी द अनदर साइड, अदरवाइज वी कांट सी. सो looking with one or both eyes. Close your right eyes. Listen, be carefully, and do practice with me. Close your right eyes, or covered to any things, not any one things. As for clothes, any type of clothes, that clothes are cleared and clean. Okay, with your hand tell your friend to stand. What tell? To your right. Tell your friend to stand right. Okay, at some distance, and ask him to do some action, wave hand, shake head, etc. Okay, are you understand about it? And could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? Okay, now try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open but without moving your neck. Okay, are you understand, students? What was the difference on looking with one or both eyes? Now toss a small ball or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open, then close your eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? Imagine how it would be to have your eyes in place of your ears. What would you be able to do there, which you can't do now? Okay? Some birds like kite. Some birds like kite. And eagles, vultures can see your times as far as we can. Okay? Are you understand about it? कुछ ऐसे चिड़िए होते हैं जो पतंग की तरह दिखते हैं, चील की तरह दिखते हैं, vultures गिद्ध की तरह दिखते हैं, and see your times as far as we can. Okay? These birds can see things from a distance of 8 meters, what we can see from a distance of 2 meters. Okay? Now can you guess from what distance can an angle in the sky can see a roti on the ground? Do animals now, student, let's do something about. Do animals see colors? Do animals see colors? Do you also see colors? Then animals also see colors. Understand colors? I mean, what do animals understand about the colors? Then animals can't see as many colors as we can. Animals can't see as many colors as we can. जानवर जो होते हैं हम लोगों की तरह रंगों को नहीं पहचान सकते हैं. सही बात है, हम लोग की तरह रंगों को नहीं पहचान सकते हैं. See how things in these pictures will be seen by some animals. Okay? It's a belief that animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors. Are you understanding about it? I mean, कुछ जानवर ऐसे होते हैं कि वह दिन में ही कुछ रंगों को पहचान पाते हैं, otherwise they can't. वे नहीं कर सकते हैं, नहीं पहचान सकते हैं. Those animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white colors. Okay? You know how many types of colors? As for example, you know there are seven colors. Okay? But animals only know 2 types of colors, black and white. Black and white. Okay? And we can describe in the science, that means CBS, what is the difference between animals and human, animals and men. These are many types of difference. So I shall describe next classes, next series. Let's next point. Okay? Then you sharp ears. Sharp ears. Ears. In class 4, before of this class, in class 4, you read that we can't easy to see what's ears. Their ears are small holes covered with feathers. Covers with feathers. So students, then you will write some questions, and I shall stop this class today. I shall meet next classes for next day. Right. First question, the name of 10 animals whose ears can be seen. The name of 10 animals whose ear can be seen. Okay. The second question, the name of some animals whose ears are bigger than your ears. The names of some animals whose ears are bigger than your ears. So, only you write two types of questions and a right answer, and take a photograph to your parents' mobile and send in my WhatsApp. I shall wait your answer. So that's enough for today. I shall meet you the next class. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye.